You know we gotta do it. Renee the garden in the house. Yes, I'm over here and I'm about to shout you out. You up and in the garden and be here to shout you out. Some people's over here and they don't know what about. So now I see you in the garden on that fitness too. Some people, let me tell you about the things that you do. You over there to work and helping people over out. You on the treadmill and you about to go it now. You shouting over there and you going with a smile. People telling me that some people like your style. Some people also saying you got that Colgate smile. Some everybody's over there, you better watch it out. So K Renee the garden is the name of what we say. Some people telling me that do you know the what we say? We saying your name is over here, we saying it from my chest. Some people telling me they saying you know you are the best. I know you in the garden and you got them chicken runs. The people's over there and the chickens having fun. They get them pepper getting this, they also get on them. But still you in the garden and you will go feed on them. The feeding over there than when you in your garden too. Oh yes, you over there and you doing straight through. You doing in the garden and the garden getting up. You want to get some tips and the people tipping up. You doing on the line for the other people. You on the vintage card and you own ya. You own these other people just running with your shine. The people talking about the what is really on your mind. So K Renee gardening in the house. I'm a Jason over here and I'm here to shout you out. Showing love over here, that's why I'm here to run my mouth. Everybody's over here then when they want they run their mouth. Saying that hey, the K Renee garden in the house. You know I'm over here about to go and shout you out. I'm shouting you out the why I'm here to run my mouth. Some people let me tell you how this really going down. Then do you even know she like the color purple? The people talking about the older, yes, that purple. But still she over there and she just to keep it real. She's over there today and you know she have her skills. Her skills is in the garden and they on that fitness too. So let me tell your people, yes, and this is what she do. She will get a chicken and a dog will come on through. She going into the nursery because they keep it true. So now that she in the nursery for her piece. Some people's over there, she might have coming from the street. But still I'm over here and you want to say ooh wee. Some people talking about it saying, oh yes, I like your tree. Your tree is in your garden, in the garden that you eat. You up over there and you say you what it be. So when you started shining and you grinding on your rhymes, some people talking about it now we doing hammer time. So now I see you over there, you get no fitness up. I say the K Renee the garden just be cut it up. I say we gonna rock it over here with that flow. So now I'm talking about it, saying where that beat go.